How YouTube gave money. YouTube provides income to content creators. There are several monetization methods, and I can explain these methods in detail. Ad revenue, YouTube's primary income source, is through advertisements. When you create and upload videos, YouTube may display ads before, during, or after your content. These ads are often from Google AdSense, and YouTube shares a portion of the ad revenue with content creators. YouTube Partner Program YPP. To be eligible for ad revenue, you must join the YouTube Partner Program. To qualify, your channel needs to have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months. Once accepted, you can monetize your videos and earn money from ad impressions. Ad formats. YouTube offers different ad formats, including skippable ads. Viewers can skip the ad after a few seconds, and you earn money if they watch a certain portion. Non-skippable ads. These ads must be watched fully, and you earn a set amount for each view. Overlay ads. Semi-transparent ads that appear at the bottom of the video. Ad revenue calculation. Your earnings from ad revenue depend on factors like the type of ads, viewer engagement, and ad rates, which can vary widely. You typically get paid for every 1,000 ad views. Known as CPM cost per mil, CPM rates can differ based on your niche and audience.
YouTube Premium. YouTube Premium is a subscription service that offers an ad-free experience to viewers. Part of the subscription revenue goes to YouTube creators based on their content's watch time by premium users.
Super chats and channel memberships. Beyond ad revenue, you can make money through super chats during live streams. This feature allows fans to pay to have their messages highlighted. Additionally, you can offer channel memberships with perks to your subscribers for a monthly fee. Merchandise shelf. YouTube provides the option to showcase your merchandise directly below your video. When viewers purchase items through this shelf, you earn a commission. Earning money on YouTube can be an exciting milestone. The amount and timing of your first income can vary widely based on factors, like the number of views, ad revenue, and the type of content you create. It's important to continue creating quality content and engaging with your audience to grow you. Additionally, YouTube offers other revenue streams, such as channel memberships, merchandise shelf, and super chats during live streams, which can also generate income for creators.